on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are installing my Sparco steering wheel finally. We picked this up at Driven back in September or August, whichever month that was, and it has been a long time. So here's some clips from picking those up. And now we have everything. Over the last couple months, I just slowly picked everything up. I didn't automatically buy everything all together just because I kind of wanted to save money and be able to just pick up things a little different. So as you guys saw when I put things down, I went NRG for the quick release and for the hub release. I wouldn't even know what color you'd call that. It's kind of like a gray. I found it on Facebook Marketplace. A guy was selling it brand new, had the sticker in the box and everything, and it was $100 cash, so can't complain too much about that. So I got a pretty good deal for that. Actually just came in yesterday. It's my hub for the Lancer, obviously. This was 180 bucks. Actually got it as a gift, so I'm appreciative for that. So now we're going to be able to install it. Obviously it's just like any other one. The hub goes on first, then the quick release and the wheel. So yeah, let's get to it. So in case you guys forgot, this is what the steering wheel looks like. It has Alcantara for the part that you hold. Then it's got the classic yellow stitch right there of leather. It's got the yellow Sparco and it's got the blue wheel. It is a bit deep dish, but it's not too bad, so I don't think I'll need anything like extenders for my blinkers or anything. So that'll be nice. And it has the white stitching. Super good feel too. And now it's one more thing off my side stickers that makes it less of a grocery list, because right there is Sparco and I now have Sparco. Alright guys, so these two screws to get the steering wheel off are a real big pain in the ones that are right there. So what I needed to do was it's a torque screwdriver, or you can do it with an Allen key or whatever, and then put a pair of vice grips on the end of it. And then obviously that clamps down onto it, and then you can use it kind of as a breaker bar to break the bit or the bolt that's in there, and then you can just screw it off with the screwdriver like regular. But you do need to do something like this to break it. I've watched other videos and they had to do the same, so I think it's on all Lancers. James's was a lot easier to get off, but on this one, or on Lancers at least, you're definitely going to need to break them off.
Guys, so it is now the next day for installing the steering wheel. It got stripped, so we kind of gave up that night, but we are back. And we got a couple extra hands.
Welcome back to the KB show.
Yeah, here, and obviously you guys seen this guy in a couple of the end of the videos. This is our boy Nate.
What's up, big guys?
He's a big Milwaukee guy, but he's probably gonna be in the videos from now on. He's a great guy.
We'll deal with a Milwaukee guy. No
Dude,
D-Wall, bro.
yo,
D-Wall, for real. Can you move?
Yeah, dude, KB, like we're trying to record Nate.
I know you just love the camera.
No, I'm trying to get by him, bro. Let's get into the video.
So we got both those torque spits that are here and here loose. Those are what stripped. This one on this side, that's why we just stopped. So now the airbag thing easily comes off. You have to just disconnect these two connector things. So I will do that.
So guys, I wanted to point this out. Look at this man's koozie.
And his green coat.
The girl that sold it to me loved it, so I had to buy it.
You probably like flirting the storm up, huh?
I was, yeah. I'm getting with the old ladies, you know? Let's get back to the actual video, not me.
The KB show.
It's not the KB show right now.
Oh, yeah, no one wants to look at a guy with a green coat, for real. Fucking clown.
I missed the shot, bro.
Well, maybe focus on the car, not the KB show.
Maybe put it back in.
I'm not putting it back in. Do you know how hard that was
No,
to
you
get
can
out?
fake the clip.
You're good?
Fake the clip.
Alright, guys. So I'm about done doing this.
Just so you know, I'm leaving that in and acting like we just faked the clip. So.
Oh, you're gonna lose all your buttons,
yeah,
bro.
say goodbye to cruise control and volume.
Hey, actually, Lancer forums. Gonna put the cruise control right here.
Oh yeah?
And then I'm gonna get an upgraded stereo system so I can put my sub in.
I want to put a sub behind my seats because I got nothing else there.
So I need something.
Right, so what's the best approach to doing this, KB?
I need an extension, bud. Can you get me an extension? It's on the top.
Holy, is this how you treat your employees, bud?
I asked him what he said. Holy. Enough of an extension. There we go. Man.
Yeah, this guy over here doesn't say hit with a hammer.
Ow, fuck.
Oh, that's a piece of plastic.
Oh.
It's a little button.
It's a little cover thing.
Yeah,
Yeah.
there you go.
Bro, fuck.
Can you go get us the horn? Can you get us the horn?
Wait, how are you gonna know what one goes beep?
Man's got a bomb.
This is what you push for the horn. Are you kidding me?
Can we blow it up?
Look at all these people with them, dude. Like, god damn, bro. Look at them all. Wait for it. Look at that. Like, imagine if I just had one of them instead of a fucking Colorado.
Well,
I'd be mint.
your truck's beautiful.
No, bro. It might look pretty, but not on the inside. You know how much shit's on the inside? You haven't been inside of it.
Because you work construction with. Alright guys, so I'm not doing my horn today just because I don't really know wires, so I'm gonna get someone who does know how. Today I'm just gonna hook up this quick release and the steering wheel because I don't know how to wire that up. So for now we're just going to obviously hide these wires back and put this on, get it on nice and tight, and then I'll drill it on and we'll go from there.
Holy fuck.
Thanks.
I'm a mechanic.
Does it stay on there though? Although, actually.
Oh, is that D-Wall?
KB Halftime Show.
Welcome to the KB show. I haven't slept in 24
Yo,
hours.
KB's a
I'm still
joke.
kicking.
Don't listen to this guy. Look
Hey,
at him.
yo.
Look at him, bro. Look at his head top, bro.
Hey, yo.
Biggest gap in the world. I'll be back. KB's a joke.
Oh well.
Hey, don't slam the Lancer door.
It's a pavement print. Neapolitan.
Oh, it's so hot and fucking expensive. It didn't get in. I need to turn it down a notch.
Buddy!
Relax, for real. Wait, who tipped my drink over?
Is it open?
It is now, though.
Hey, you know what tastes better than an open drink? Two open
Mom.
drinks.
You suck.
Hey man, this just turned
Hold
into
on!
a steering wheel video.
You missed it, bro.
It dinged.
It dinged.
Did it ding? Let me try.
It went.
Fucking legit. We just
And,
have two short arms.
hey, Andy Bandy. Where are you? Coochie coochie coo.
Get out of here.
Bro!
Andrew, can I shoot you?
Bro!
No, Andrew, bro. kill
Andrew!
this guy. Andrew, kill this guy. You spilled beer in your seat.
Nate!
Where is it?
Give me a ring! No! I got one. I got one.
It's going. It's on the side.
Fucking Nate. Andrew, I got
What do
it.
you mean, Nate, bro? You spilled it.
Andrew, I got it.
I'm gonna have to steam clean my
Hey.
seats.
Who hired this guy?
Yeah, you spilled it, not me. I don't hold me.
Can you check if my...
Wait till you grab that. Cold as shit.
It's pretty fucking good.
Oh my god! Bro, I want one of them.
What are you doing, bud? Oh, yeah, you were supposed to like pull assembly.
Yeah, so I'm gonna have to do the steering wheel. Alright guys, so it is the next day. Last night we kind of just stopped recording because we weren't really... We knew what we were doing, but we were kind of just not having a good time, and we wanted to get to doing other things. So Nate and Butler are still here. Josh went home because he had to work, and he was kind of being a bum. So we have fixed the steering wheel. Everything installed was the same. It's just I didn't have it straight, and I was getting frustrated last night, so we just kind of called it quits. So now it's straight, so if the man Butler...
When you go to do this on your own car, make sure that you put the hub to at least any bolt hole, like facing straight up, in line with your windshield or whatever. And then this, you just put the lettering up there. Find where it dings first, and then you just put that to the top. And then you can just put your steering wheel on. And then there you go.
There we go.
That's all.
She dings and everything.
She dings.
So, we're gonna wire up the horn later probably. What we're gonna have to do, because not a lot of people do run a horn, we're probably just gonna, there's the connector inside the hub. So we'll have that. We'll have it ground to the steering wheel, but then I'll have to unplug the horn every time I want to take off the steering wheel, which will be annoying, but at least then I'll still have my horn. I could run it without one, but the only reason why I do want my horn is because I did do the Hello horns. So why mod the horns if I'm not going to use them? So, but I'm going to do that later. So this is how to install a quick release steering wheel, and we'll catch you guys in the outro. Alright guys, so I just noticed that I never did outro this video. Last time we picked up the camera, I believe, was when Butler had fixed my wheel. So it has been on for about a week now. It's worked fine. It is a little crooked because we didn't tighten up the hub. So I have to do that. It's just with school, I haven't really had the time. So I'm probably going to do that this weekend. It's Friday right now, so I'm probably going to do it tomorrow or tonight. So other than that, the wheel is perfect. I'm getting the lights removed today by a scanner, and just because I have a traction control light on. My traction control is still on, it still works, it's just through a code because the wheel's off. But other than that, I love it. It's awesome to be able to take my steering wheel off and bring it inside, for instance, because right now it is minus 23 outside, and I was able to have my steering wheel inside all night, so it was nice and warm when I came out to the car. And obviously it's cooler for other reasons, but that was kind of nice. I thought of that this morning. So anyway guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hey guys, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. We will see you guys in 2 weeks because that's our new upload schedule, hopefully. Follow our Instagram, sboys_TV, and we'll see you guys later. Peace. I hope that you guys, cut this. Okay.
Well, you know, we're trying to intro this video, bud. But yeah, he's gonna be in the videos from now on. Man loves Milwaukee.
There ain't no D-Walt, I'm in the video.
Yeah.
He'll be in the videos from now on.
Oh, don't start.
Videos from now
Hey,
on.
don't feel special about that.
Yeah.
Don't
Yeah.
feel-
I say that to everyone.
This guy that we call Cum said that.
Bro,
He calls himself.
Oh yeah.
Bro,
Alright,
I ain't getting my
anyways.
sticker either.
Yeah.
I'm not in the videos, I'm
Let's
not
just
getting my
say
sticker.
we don't get our S-Boys merch, but